Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Wanted to show you guys a tool that I got off the Snap-on truck. This is a new tool. Of course you already know what it is by looking at the title of this video, but it is the Snap-on jet washer, and I wanted to show you guys out there what you get in the bag and how it works. Okay. So, not too many pieces, like 3 main components here. Looks like you got it's a quick connect for your hose. I won't be using that part because I don't have one of those on my hose outside. And you got your main thing here. So, looks like the only way that you can have the nozzle is in the fan spray in the horizontal position. There's no way to turn this to get it to go vertical. Won't do a vertical spray. Also, you don't really have any other options as to like pin spray or any other thing. Maybe they'll come out eventually with some different nozzle tips. If you know Snap-on, they probably will. Looks like it has their normal air gun sprayer, which is pretty much an on-off. You can't really feather it too much. I think from my experience with their air gun, you can see it's the exact same thing, just done in a larger nozzle. And your air tips do not come with it, so you'll have to get one. So I put a high volume one on there, just because I really do enjoy the high volume stuff. And I gotta get a wrench to tighten that in. Okay, there it is. Air end, water end, and it's got an on-off valve too. It's got a little ball valve down inside there, so you can see the a little ball in there. Looks like it's got a 1/4 inch inlet. Let's go flow some water. There it is. Turn my water on. Alright, doesn't leak right off the bat, which is good. It's got quite a stream. Let's check it out with the air though. Well, it seems to go pretty good. I think you're gonna have to have a big air supply. So, you guys, if you're gonna use these on one of those little pancake things, forget about it. You need something big. You need a shop air. So, anyway, let's test this thing out right here on my bricks. See what it looks like. I got some moss on those bricks over there. I'll see if it'll remove it. I kind of doubt it. It doesn't really feel that powerful, but we'll check it out. I'd say no, not really. So it doesn't have a lot of pressure. In fact, I'll run my hand into it and see what it does. could hose the dog down with it. So as you guys can see, it worked pretty good. It does tend to dump out the air really fast out of your compressor, so make sure you got a good compressor, one that will recover quickly. And yeah, if you want one of these, just see your Snap-on guy. He probably has them on the truck. They probably got them on, I don't think they're on promo or anything, but they're on his truck. You can probably get them from snapon.com. You may have to write to them. As of the time that I'm making this video, Snap-on is kind of going through their transition between their old crappy site to their new crappy site, and this isn't even on there. I actually looked for this on there to see if anybody else had reviewed it or looked at it. Anyway, hopefully they're going to come out with some new ends. There is one end. There is another attachment that will help flush out heater cores and radiators. I didn't purchase that one because I don't really have a call for that right now in my shop. It's like a $20 extra on this part, but other than that, you guys have seen it. You've seen it in action. I've got really high water pressure here at my place, as well as I think I was running about 120 psi through it air-wise. So hopefully you guys got a little something out of this video. If you did, please give it a like. Of course, subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. And that's it. That's all I got. The Snap-on jet washer worked pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.